In this video of the SEO course, today we will learn about DA. What is domain authority? PA, what is page authority? And what is the spam score? And which website is that where we can check these details like DAPA for any given website. From that we will get to know about how good or how bad the authority of the website is. And we can check the authority of our website, is it good, bad, okay or better, and how we can improve it. So where we can check all these things. And these standards that are in place, who has set them? The ones that are already accepted, okay? Every SEO professional, when they check authority of their website or any other website, like DAPA and spam score, then how will they do it? So friends, we are talking about three things: DA, PA and spam score. Now first we'll see about DA and PA. If the DAPA of any website is between 10 to 30, alright, it's between 10 to 30, then it's considered good, meaning it's okay. If it's lower than that, meaning the ranking is out of 100, right? If the score is out of 100. So if out of 100 it's between 10 to 30, then it is considered as decent. That simply means it is good. And if it's below 10, then it's absolutely poor. And if it's between 30 to 50, if it's in that range, then it will be considered good. And if it is between 50 to 70, then it will be considered very good. It's a very good website. And let's say if it is more than 70, I mean out of 100, if any website has scored more than 70 in DAPA, right? Or it is even more, like it is of big brands, large websites like Facebook or of the other major websites. So it's their score. So getting backlinks of such sites is a whole different thing. So friends, here mostly if you are aiming to create the DAPA and the authority of it is between 10 to 30, then it is considered to be as decent, alright? And the most common websites that you will find are those with DAPA between 30 to 50. And if you have created the backlinks for these websites with this level of authority, it's considered very good, okay? And if we talk about spam score, the game here is completely reversed. Here too, the score is out of 100. But while for DAPA higher is better, here for spam score higher is worse. Now let's suppose if the score is below 10, it will be considered very good. And if it is between 10 to 30, then it will be, I mean, you can just simply say that it will fall into the category of good to okay, right? Means it's just okay type. And if it's even higher than that, if the spam score is above 50, then it's absolutely poor. Why spam score? Spam indicates that how many problems are there in a website. Broken links, or maybe if it has received the penalties from the search engines, or if it is not meeting their set parameters. Based on shortcomings, it will get spam score. So if it's more, the score will be higher. And if it's less, the score will be lower. Okay. So here the DAPA should be as high as possible out of 100 for your website, and for other website from which you will create the backlink, for them as well, if it's higher, it will be good. And the spam score should be less for your website, and also for the other website with which you are connecting and creating backlink, its spam score should also be low, okay? Now, as you can see here, we have opened one website, and that is smallseotools.com. Here I've entered 2 or 3 websites. One is of our client Realway, other is marketingfundas.com, and last is marketingfundas.co.in. So we have created demo sites, a brand new one made to teach you all. We haven't done anything with it yet. And now you can see clearly the DA of Realway is 16, right? And its PA is 30. Marketing Fundas DA is 20 and PA is 41, meaning both of us falls into a decent good category in terms of DAPA. And now here you will see that Realway has 252 backlinks and its DA is 16. And mine has only 101 and its DA is 20. So this shows that our backlinks must be of high quality, which is why even with fewer backlinks, our DAPA is higher. This is the difference. That if you are creating backlinks with the website of good authority, even if you build many, it might not be as beneficial. If you build fewer but high quality ones, you will get better results. And now if you will just see here, right? Then this website marketingfundas.co.in is a demo site to teach you all about SEO. It has nothing, it's absolutely poor because we haven't done any work on it. So because of this reason, whenever you have to check DAPA and other similar things, then you can go to smallseotools.com and check it there. And you can go to moz.com, use its extension and check the DAPA, spam score and other stuffs. So today you must have understood what is DAPA and spam score and how will you check them, right? Thank you.